Have you ever been to a restaurant and you walk past a couple that's sitting and having dinner and one person is on their phone the whole time? This is one way that technology has changed our lives. Um, I would like for people to see how technology is changing the world in our lives and to see the impact it has on the topics that I have chosen, which are the way we communicate, education, and dating. Technology has given us several new ways to communicate. We can email or text, which in businesses and companies, the more formal way of communication is through email. Yes, I work at a school, and so we email as communication. If there's something that you need someone to see real fast and get the notification real quick, we'll send a text. But the more formal way of communication in my workplace is through email. We can call people, but we now also have the option of video chatting. This comes into play whenever you have family that lives far away, for instance. They can't see you all the time, so that you can video chat them and they can see you. This is FaceTime for Apple users, and for Google users, it's Google Duo, I believe, which they're both really cool. And you can use Google Duo on Apple products with the people that have like the Samsung, the Google products. Uh, Neil Patel, co-founder of MP Digital, says you might see an elementary age child with their head buried in a smartphone and tempted to take a gloomy outlook on what technology has done to us. But is it all bad? So now we've talked a little bit about technology and what it has done for communication. So we're going to go on and talk about what it has done for education and how it's affected that. While education has been changing technology for a while now, it's held a major role in changing this. It's the technology has held a major role in changing education. College students are now able to take online classes. This has been going on for a while now, but it's more popular, I believe, to take online classes. It's really convenient. You don't have a set tied down schedule. You don't have to go to class at any certain time. You can just get on your computer whenever and do your work. It's really inconvenient, and I love it. I've been taking online classes for 3 years now, and it's really convenient for me, especially having a young child. High school students are able to take dual credit classes in high school from their computers. This helps tremendously. Some high schoolers are graduating with an associate's degree with their high school diploma, which is amazing. Um, Vista College says that parents with young children can also find opportunities to attend school. Uh, I work full time. I'm a full time mom. I'm a college student. So the easiest way for me to attend college is online. I get to have my child, I get to have my job, and I get to have college. Yes, it is exhausting and stressful, but this is what technology does. It helps, and it has helped me so much with having my baby and my full-time job. I wouldn't change it for the world. Now that we've discussed the benefits of technology in education, we will discuss what technology has done for the dating world. Technology has changed the entire dating game. Now there's online dating, there's Tinder, there's Bumble, there's all these dating websites, eHarmony, dating apps. All these younger children, I say, young adults are on these apps, and it's different. Relationships now, they move quicker than they used to. They're more about making things official on social media, on the dating apps, on your platforms that you have. Um, Corey Knowles, digital editor of Innovation and Tech Today, says years ago you had to go out with someone to get to know them, or you had to approach them on the sidewalk just to see if y'all had the spark. Nowadays, you can just get on Tinder and swipe right or swipe left. to see if you like them. Yes, it's not such a great thing because you're judging by someone's appearances at first and not by what they have inside of them. But technology, technology. The dating world is based around technology now. My husband, I met him over the internet. It's a crazy world we live in. Uh, Today, I discussed first the ways that technology has affected communication. Second, we went over the benefits of technology with education, and those were amazing, crazy amazing. And lastly, we discussed how technology has changed the dating world. Technology is changing the world we live in and the lives of many people. While some people might think that technology does no good for anyone, there is a lot of good that comes out of it. It might just be changing the world and our lives, but it's changing it in a positive manner.